In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of a page on WordPress. This is an essential skill for anyone managing a WordPress site, whether you're looking to update your page's name for clarity or improve your SEO. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress account and head over to the dashboard where you can access all your site's settings. Once you're on the dashboard, move your mouse over the Pages section, typically found on the left-hand menu, and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages currently published or drafted on your site. Next, take a moment to find the page whose URL you want to change. Hover your mouse over this page, and you'll notice a few options appearing below the title. What you'll want to do here is click on Quick Edit. This avoids loading the entire page editor, providing a faster way to access the essentials we need for this task. With Quick Edit selected, you'll now see an option labeled Slug. This is essentially your page's URL identifier, the part that appears after your domain name. Edit this field with the new page name or URL segment you want. Be mindful here to keep it simple and relevant, ideally matching the page's title or content. It's crucial to remember that changing the slug changes the page's link, so you may want to ensure that no links already point to it without the appropriate redirections. After you've edited the slug, be sure to click the Update button. This is an important step as it saves the changes you've just made. If you forget to do this, the changes won't be applied, and you'll end up with the same old URL. With that update saved, there's one more step to ensure everything works smoothly. That's checking and updating your site's permalink settings. To do this, look back at the left-hand menu and locate the Settings section. Hover over it, and you'll see an option for permalinks. Click on this to open the permalink settings page. On this page, you'll notice several structure options for your URLs. For SEO purposes and clarity, I recommend selecting Post Name. This structure uses the slug you've just edited, which makes URLs concise and descriptive. Once you've selected Post Name, scroll down and hit that Save Changes button to confirm your selection. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the URL of your WordPress page. By doing so, you've likely made your site a bit more user-friendly and accessible for visitors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below.